Ever felt emotionally drained or misled after a seemingly innocent chat? In this exploration, we're dissecting the covert world of diverse, complex personalities, each harboring their own type of chaos and disruption beneath seemingly calm surfaces. With each scene, we'll unravel the truths hidden behind their cloaks, revealing their potential impacts on our mental and emotional landscapes. Stay tuned to unearth Stoic wisdom that not only exposes these insidious social traps, but also fortifies your mental and emotional defenses against them. Firstly, we spotlight narcissists, individuals who unfailingly bulldoze conversations with their self-glorifying tales. Stoicism sternly reminds us to erect a barrier of indifference towards their ceaseless self-praise. Heed the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius.
Reject your sense of injury and the injury itself disappears.
Engage, but resist being submerged in their self-constructed chaos, understanding that these stories are camouflages, veiling their internal disturbances, and certainly not a yardstick for appraising your self-worth. Confronting narcissism mandates a solid, unyielding demeanor. Stoicism mandates a strategic withdrawal from their deluge of self-adulation, recognizing that beneath their fortress of self-assurance frequently lies a volatile sea of insecurities. As they tirelessly work to elevate themselves, we, with steadfast resolve, remain unyielding, unperturbed, rooted in our secure, silent strength and self-affirmation. They narrate their tales, not ours. We recognize, we nod, but we do not permit ourselves to be buffeted by their tempest of self-importance. It's paramount to protect oneself and cautiously navigate through their torrential downpour of self-love. We navigate now to the realm of gossipers, people who trade in whispers and secret sharing. Gossip, by its nature, warps the truth, creating tales that, while often baseless, can sow discord and mistrust among even the closest of allies. The danger here is twofold. Not only can gossip harm relationships and reputations, but those who willingly share others' secrets surely won't hesitate to divulge yours when it suits them. Stoicism instructs us to proceed with caution, safeguarding our secrets and shielding ourselves from becoming embroiled in the damaging web woven by whispers. It prompts us to understand that the reliability of a gossiper is perpetually in question, as their loyalty tends to sway in the direction that feeds their hunger for drama and attention. Staying wary and maintaining distance from the destructive path of gossip is not just wise, but essential for safeguarding one's peace and social harmony. Now let's address those individuals who tirelessly aim to jab at our tranquility, consistently testing our patience with their subtle, yet persistent, annoyances. This second individual, armed with an arsenal of irksome gestures and words, might seem like they're trying to wear down our emotional walls, bit by bit. But with Stoicism as our guide, we can maintain a sturdy, impenetrable barrier against such perpetual irritations. We arm ourselves with patience and a solid, unmovable emotional grounding, turning their attempts at agitation into ineffective echoes, bouncing off our resilient shield. We preserve our serenity, undisturbed by their endeavors to perturb us, safeguarding our emotional well-being, and eventually leaving them to face their own futile tactics, unvalidated and impotent. See this person, unable to decide which way to go. This is the indecisive mind. Imagine needing to catch a train with them and they can't decide which one to board. Time keeps ticking and opportunities keep slipping away. Such indecision impacts not just them, but also those who rely on them. Being with someone who cannot make timely decisions, like which train to catch, can mean missed chances for everyone involved. It's essential to surround ourselves with people who can decide and act, ensuring our collective journey moves forward, not stalling at the station of indecision. Entering the arena of the two-faced, we witness a deceptive play of emotions. These individuals demonstrate a friendly, open demeanor, but lurking beneath lies a starkly different, often malicious intent. Their affable smiles and agreeable nods are mere masks, carefully curated to disguise their true, often unsettling intentions. Stoicism equips us with the virtue to navigate through such treacherous social waters without losing our emotional balance. It teaches us to manage interactions with such individuals judiciously, protecting our mental sanctuary from the hidden venom of their deceitful whispers. Always remember, the facade they present doesn't protect you. It shields them, enabling them to operate insidiously within social circles. Approach with caution, safeguarding your tranquility and trust from their hidden daggers of duplicity. Here we spotlight those who are overly curious, prying into areas where they don't belong. Being stoic means safeguarding our personal spaces and inner worlds, not allowing these prying eyes to glimpse into our private lives. Treat your personal matters and secrets like hidden treasures, not to be shared lightly or with those whose intentions are shadowed in mystery. Their snooping might seem harmless at first, but remember, information, once out, can be twisted, used, or thrown against you in unexpected ways. Stay vigilant and share wisely to ensure your private matters remain private. Next up, let's shine a light on the universal friend, the person who tries to be everything to everyone. Notice how they stretch themselves thin, attempting to please all, yet ultimately pleasing none. The Stoic wisdom nudges us toward an important truth. True connections stem from being real, not from trying to be all-pleasing. An authentic bond is formed from sincerity, not from a scattering of shallow connections. Engage with those who anchor themselves in honesty and authenticity, not those who drift aimlessly, chasing after the unattainable goal of universal approval. Ensure your friendships are rooted in truth, not in the transient winds of social appeasement. Let's focus now on the world of the Constant Critic, where every word is a thorn, and negativity pervades the air. Imagine a place where seeds of positivity can scarcely sprout amongst the ruin wrought by perpetual fault-finding. In contrast, Stoicism guides us to tend our own internal gardens with gentle care and introspection. Despite the wilting world of the critic, we focus inward, fostering our personal growth, undeterred and unswayed by the encroaching decay around us. It's within our power to nurture our own well-being, even amidst the destructive forces of ceaseless criticism. Here we observe those entangled in endless troubles, their lives a ceaseless storm of chaos and disorder, often seeking to engulf others in their turbulent times. Their hands reach out, not for rescue, but to draw others into their swirling troubles. Through the lens of Stoicism, we find a steadfast vessel, allowing us to navigate safely through these stormy seas without being pulled under. It empowers us to remain steady and unmoved, ensuring that we do not become consumed by the tempests of others, but rather maintain our course, guiding our own ship securely through the storms of life. Meet the pretend listener, a person who sits in front of you, nods, but their attention is anywhere but on your words. You speak, sharing your thoughts and feelings, but your words simply do not register in their mind because they're not really paying attention. When we talk, our words matter and deserve genuine attention. If you realize you're speaking to someone who isn't truly listening, it's entirely acceptable to end the conversation and seek those who will respect and value your words. Make sure to invest your time and thoughts where they are truly welcomed and appreciated, thus ensuring productive and caring conversations. Be mindful of the company you keep and steer clear of disruptive influences. Stick with those who enhance your journey and walk confidently on your path, understanding that your surroundings shape your journey. Navigate wisely, ensuring each step aligns with your values and contributes positively to your destination.